once again at 3 a.m., DFW Airport, cloudy, 71, south at 26, gusting to 39. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Wind advisory in effect until 9 p.m. this evening, rest of tonight, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Breezy with lows in the upper 50s. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Montague County in north-central Texas, eastern Young County in north-central Texas, northwestern Wise County in north-central Texas, Jack County in north-central Texas, until 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:12 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bryson, or 11 miles northeast of Graham, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bryson around 3:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. Newport around 3:40 a.m. Central Standard Time. Lake Armand G. Carter around 3:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Buoy around 3:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Derman, Lost Creek Reservoir, Cundiff, Fruitland, Park Springs, Jean, Loving, Lake Bridgeport, Crafton, and Joplin. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 3:14 a.m. Central Standard Time. You're listening to NOAA, All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 55. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The severe storm will be near Lake Armand G. Carter around The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Young County in north-central Texas, Wise County in north-central Texas, Jack County in north-central Texas, Parker County in north-central Texas, Palo Pinto County in north-central Texas, until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:52 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Loving to Grayford to Strawn, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lake Palo Pinto, Jacksboro, Grayford, Gordon, and Palo Pinto around 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. Mineral Wells and Fort Richardson State Park around 4:05 a.m. Central Standard Time. Cool and Lake Mineral Wells around 4:10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Pooville, Brock, and Lake Bridgeport around 4:20 a.m. Central Standard Time. Bridgeport and Weatherford around 4:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. Chico, Springtown, and Western Lake around 4:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Lake Weatherford, Alvord, Paradise, Sunset, and Hudson Oaks around 4:35 a.m. Central Standard Time. Boyd, Annetta, Aledo, Willow Park, Briar, Decatur, Azle, and Reno around 4:40 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Santo, Cundiff, Park Springs, Crafton, G-Town, Joplin, Martin's Chapel, Bennett, Vineyard, and Wizard Wells. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 370 and 422. Interstate 30 near mile marker 1. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Montague, northeastern Young, northwestern Wise, and Jack counties. At 3:27 a.m. Central Standard Time. Watch number 18, effective until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Bosque, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Parker, Somerville, Tarrant, and Wise. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh, that's fun. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 4:13 a.m.
Oh no.
DFY, now, NWS Word, FWD issues severe thunderstorm warning and threat. Considerable. 70 MBH, observed, heavy, 15001, radar indicated for Dallas. Denton, Parker,
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wise County in north central Texas, Denton County in north central Texas, eastern Parker County in north central Texas, Tarrant County in north central Texas, western Dallas County in north central Texas, until 5:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:40 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Alvord to Springtown to near Western Lake, moving east at 50 miles per hour. This storm is currently producing 70 miles per hour winds and wind damage near Decatur in Wise County. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lake Weatherford, Aurora, Alvord, Boyd, Pecan Acres, Eagle Mountain, Annetta, Aledo, New Fairview, and Fort Worth around 4:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Haslett and Rome around 4:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. White Settlement, Lake Worth, Sansom Park, Benbrook, Saginaw, and Westworth Village around 4:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. Justin, Blue Mound, and River Oaks around 5 a.m. Central Standard Time. Denton, Edgecliff Village, Flower Mound, Edgecliff, Roanoke, Keller, Haltom City, Northlake, Crowley, and Watauga around 5:05 a.m. Central Standard Time. Bartonville, Sanger, North Richland Hills, Thorell City, Crum, Forest Hill, Trophy Club, Argyle, and Everman around 5:10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Double Oak, Copper Canyon, Euless, Rendon, Kennedale, Colleyville, Bedford,
Bye. Yeah, I knew they were going to time that out. That was a given. Good grief. Okay. Well.
Effective until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Bosque, Dallas, Denton. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Somerville County in north-central Texas, Johnson County in north-central Texas, northwestern Ellis County in north-central Texas, eastern Hood County in north-central Texas, until 5:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:55 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Godley to near Pecan Plantation, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Cleburne State Park, Cleburne, and Godley around 5 a.m. Central Standard Time. Joshua, Burleson, and Lake Pat Cleburne around 5:05 a.m. Central Standard Time. Keene, Crowley, and Cross Timber around 5:10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Rendon around 5:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. Alvarado and Mansfield around 5:20 a.m. Central Standard Time. Grandview and Venus around 5:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. Grand Prairie and Midlothian around 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Cedar Hill and Mayfield around 5:35 a.m. Central Standard Time. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 15 and 37. Interstate 35E between mile markers 391 and 411. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time for central and north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Somerville County in north-central Texas, Johnson County in north-central.
Trending now.
Severe weather heading into North Texas. I'm Monty Cook from the
Yeah, near just west of Crowley, south side of Benbrook.
Oh no.
Here. Very.
Tornado warning for us. Get ready. It's coming.
A tornado warning for northeastern Johnson County in north-central Texas, southern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time.
That's it.
5 a.m.
Oh,
Central
hey,
Standard
buddy.
Time.
Oh.
A thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Crowley, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Burleson, Rendon, Fort Worth, Crowley, and Everman around 5:05 a.m. Central Standard Time. Kennedale around 5:10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Arlington and Mansfield around 5:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 32 and 46. Interstate 20 between mile markers 434 and 450. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
The rest of the Dallas-Fort Worth area is also under a severe thunderstorm warning until at least 5:45. Once again, the new severe thunderstorm warnings for Somerville, Johnson, Ellis, and Hood County
Outside is possible.
All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Further north, we have line of storms.
This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Bosque, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Parker. National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McLennan County and central Texas, northwestern Limestone County and central Texas, southeastern Hill County and central Texas, until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:20 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Waco, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Waco, Belmed, Lacey Lakeview, and North Crest around 5:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. Hubbard around 5:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Malone, Byram, Elmont, Mertens, Tours, Mount Calm, Irene, Penelope, Excel, and Wiggins. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 329 and 355. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time for central and north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 18, effective until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas. Tonight, areas are blowing dust in the evening. Mostly clear. Breezy and much cooler with lows in the lower 40s. Northwest winds 20 to 25 miles an hour with wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour are possible, diminishing to 15 to 20 miles an hour after. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north central Texas, Western Hunt County in north central Texas, Kaufman County in north central Texas, Eastern Denton County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, Dallas County in north central Texas, until 6:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:25 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Pilot Point to Carrollton to Cedar Hill, moving east at 60 miles per hour. This storm is currently producing widespread wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near McKinney, University Park, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Irving, Hebron, Dallas, Plano, Red Oak, and Carrollton around 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Hutchins, Mesquite, Parker, Allen, Garland, Fairview, and Wilmer around 5:35 a.m. Central Standard Time. Sunnyvale, Ferris, Enna, Rowlett, Bulk Springs, Murphy, Satch C, Wiley, Lucas, and Melissa around 5:40 a.m. Central Standard Time. Princeton, Lowry Crossing, Heath, Rockwall, Seagoville, and combine around 5:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Fett, Farmersville, Mobile City, Forney, and Crandall around 5:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. Talty and Royce City around 5:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. Merritt, Caddo Mills, Terrell, and Kaufman around 6 a.m. Central Standard Time. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Wind advisory remains in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. Tornado Watch 18 in effect until 11 a.m. this morning. Today. At 5:25 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Pilot Point to Carrollton to Cedar Hill, moving east at 60 miles per hour. This storm is currently producing widespread wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour. National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, northwestern Henderson County in central Texas, Ellis County in north-central Texas, northern Navarro County in north-central Texas, until 6:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:39 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Waxahachie, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Waxahachie around 5:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Ennis and Palmer around 5:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. Cottonwood around 6:10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Grays Prairie around 6:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. Kemp and Cedar Creek Reservoir around 6:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Avalon, Telosa, Rocket, Paine Springs, Howard, Rosser, Bristol, Scurry, Pecan Hill, and Boyce. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 382 and 411. Interstate 45 between mile markers 236 and 266. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time for central and north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time for northwestern Limestone and southeastern Hill counties. At 5. The following reports of weather, temperature, and wind were made at noon. DFW Airport, mostly sunny, 67, dew point 31, relative humidity. Issued at 12:03 p.m. Central Standard Time. High wind warning in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. West winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with an occasional gust approaching 60 miles per hour. The areas affected include a portion of north-central Texas. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and damage property. Power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. The current time is 12:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. You're listening to NOAA, All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 55. Serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. Issued at 12:03 p.m. Central Standard Time.